Let's watch the video.
The money and brought it.
Okay, so I started saving at the age of 14.
Underline the word at the age of 14.
I went to Prudential Bank, at the age of 14 and told them I was 18.
So underline the bank, Prudential Bank at the age of 14. Mama details be so that you understand what I'm saying. And also when you're 14, but he lied that he's 18. Underlined when is lie. Into which means Oyobia, he knows how to lie.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
Hello, Ebusiafo. Yes, Shatta wale is in there at the age of 14 years. In a way, saving 750 Ghana cedis. Asset oye 7.5 billion. Another 75 cedis. Another 7.5 Ghana cedis. We don't know. But from figure our man is a oye 7.5 billion old cedis, another 750 Ghana cedis. The other Ghana cedis come on a chair. He knows what he's saying, and so you better discuss it. I'm seminar. Association, but Zanko free beside a seven or true, another or false, because 750 Ghana cedis not be money or 7.5 billion back in the days. 14 years ago, that would be somewhere around 97 another yes, 98 no more. Now, this is what really happened. Show be another podcast be our friend Rant and Bant. Na nyimpa o hosting our friend Ifia Odo. Na surely a very controversial. Anytime be what the show about out be I want some bebre. This particular episode, when you invited the dancehall king, Shatta Wale, and as usual, we all knew that Shatta recorded show punchlines, headlines, and some it been register bullets, and a lot of bloggers and news outlets were sitting on the show waiting for the premiere and walk share. Now Shatta in some to go in some of the bebre that of Black Sheriff. And dressing, anyone saw the way or dressing, Sarko dressed the lawyer, Stone Boy, Maduni, or Kakadam, but that is not our focus today. In your name, I hang back and once. Zaya focus wondering Shatta. Sunday as at 14 years in a way savvy 750 Ghana cedis. Serving culture yadibia or you good. And a jabia you would have to encourage your children to save, which is something which will help their future. But before I ever go on with the story, let's listen to how he said it. The fact even a point to be we know how to say. We're going to bring you some details from Prudential Bank. So let's watch the video.
The money and brought it.
Okay, so I started saving at the age of 14.
Underline the word at the age of 14.
I went to Prudential Bank, at the age of 14 and told them I was 18.
So underline the bank, Prudential Bank at the age of 14. Mama details be so that you understand what I'm saying. And also when you're 14, but he lied that he's 18. Underlined when is lie. Into which means Oyobia, he knows how to lie. Because for you to gather confidence and go to a bank as at 97, now catch one day, we're 18 years, I bring 14 years. I questionable kakra, but let's listen more.
My dad, like me, I grew up as a rich kid.
Mm-hmm.
So
okay, Shatta said he grew up as a rich kid, but Shatta na kasa ni interviews bebre. Shatta no, I always be I'm a hustler na dami nyama story. It's saying in any music video biya. Shatta grew up as a rich kid. These pictures are all there. He posted them himself. There in those days, the Nima ghettos na nyama bi na adzen. Yes, we'll come to all that, but for now, in the young boy video, and say what exactly Shatta is trying to say.
To see dollars, pounds, all them currencies, I was having it.
As at 1997, and I Shatta over the dollars, pounds, and the damn foreign currencies now. Onyanana, he was seeing all these monies all the time.
At age 14, I had saved 750,000 Ghana cedi.
How?
750,000 Ghana cedi. CCR. It's a old currency boy, 7.5 billion. That is no joke even in recent times. As a regular working class guy input, they bring 7.5 billion and on your easy. But if truly Shatta wale know what they miss kana question that maybe someone with a damage can or him for CCR. Because if you had 7.5 billion, in 1997, you should be a crazy billionaire now, because we know the likes of Tobin Konomana. I started my business with 2 Ghana cedis, 1 Ghana cedis now. And as at that time, and no borrow Shatta was 750 Ghana cedis. Damn. Then my boss, you know, a rich pa.
Oh, wow.
Yes, because you know when my dad gives me chop money, he doesn't give me 20 Ghana cedi. Yeah, he counts it. Sometimes he leaves like $500. Sometimes he leaves like.
Minimum dollar rates in us at time in 1997 and 98 when baby bet. So wager that time no more $500. Then I check papa no day no pa. Your father should have bought Ghana by then.
2,000 Ghana cedi, 3,000 Ghana cedi. And I always have this safe in my room because my dad never.
Shatta say at the age of 14 years, was safe. Safe here. There's a money box, and that is not like those days. Yeah, you milk a chance to put it in save years, but others and there's a power safer. Sabi, what the numbers would be in a bishani dame, which means he was really a rich kid, you know.
Wanted me to buy any clothes, no watches, no jewelry, nothing. Everything was.
97, I'm from the what to jewels.
But for me, my games, everything, like I was okay, too okay.
Well, as at those time in 97, give a game squad or Newtown or another Mario, because somewhere around 2001, 2002, who were enjoying the Mario and those things, but Shatta or toy games. But okay, as somebody we are there, but you will find out.
I was saving. So when I got to a point where I saved like enough money, I was like, no, I want to like learn how to save in a bank.
Or save you fear kakra do level be no when they know see so don't migrate to banks because you can't always save no you drew. Wow, Shatta, you're such a good guy, you know.
So I actually drove one time when my dad wasn't home. We went to the office. I went to the bank and
14 years he actually drove to the bank. Wow. So the salary farm I couldn't be on Shatta committee offense because he drove at 60. Shatta was driving at the age of 14. Wow, interesting. Wale.
The money, and the bank manager saw I was young, but I told him that no, I want to learn how to save. So
what's the name of the bank manager? Make sure bank manager is
saving very early. So my life with me and now is not faking.
Papa saw a realist of fake per day womb.
I was seeing money. When I was on the streets, like I had like. Some of my boys are here, Joey, Sulash, they were supporting me in terms of, musical instruments. I see. Dress, clothes, so I was getting money all right. So all those times that I was saying, I have money, I had money.
Wow.
It wasn't money to buy a house.
Anyway, because I wouldn't want to spend a lot of time on this. Now, from documents this bank, Prudential Bank, and equal Wikipedia, clearly, the bank was established around 1996, August. So the bank is 28 years. I mean, check what friend then Shatta wale in Wikipedia. It is stated that he was born on the 17th of October, 1984, which means 1997 when he had 14 years. But if the bank was established in 1996, which means a year pepe in okwe. Na adoma menya wiem kakra yin there. Bigip se Shatta ni mana okere de bi ote wana na ote na because once the bank formally no what the headquarters were Nima Avenue Bureau baby day. So it could be true. I am tempted to believe that what Shatta is saying is true. Let's say no, you're true. But me questioning that means 750 Ghana cedis, and investment in a purpose, in Korea, that means 7.5 billion, and by now we scan multiple because me are sure that despite as at 96, 97 or 7.5 billion old cedis. You know, I have small money because back then and Opel Astra, even in 2002, you know, Opel Astra kita 30 million, 3,000 Ghana cedis, and you can buy one, which was luxury, like or a big deal. At asa, inti Shatta semi waka or a day, or a fem do either bolambo bi no odi any shame, fire and call. Emi side and them make a dots in his ma. Asem no you true. Or an acquire or settings all be lie in a papa catch. But anyway, that is part of entertainment. Sure, like as our friend rants and bants. I don't fault him, but I say watch that Nanny Sky, me and I, you were not there. King of the dance hall. Since you are a dread table, you can see. I mean, he's a millionaire now. Shatta saw a dread. It's why you to me that this is when he came out with Dancehall King, Ghana. Yes, did you well see that or to the middle good cool? But Shatta, I mean, I respect his hustle. He's found his way into the music industry and he's been very successful. So give it up for him, Wale. 40 years, away 50. I say what too much. Oh boy.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?